15, 20 years ago, if you'd ask any ordinary Kenyan about a Kenyan-made car, it's not even a thought that would cross their mind. In short, impossible.
Does not mean you have to compromise on quality. We are incredibly proud of the team and the effort that they've done in making sure that we have a vehicle that's suited to our needs, to the Kenyan market and our conditions here locally.
Mobius 3 is a four-wheel drive with 2000cc engine capacity. It comes both in petrol and diesel, has with manual and automatic transmission. The infotainment feature is something to look forward to. This is a significant upgrade from our previous model. You can now stay connected while on the roads.
We took into account the road terrains that are typically used and traveled in Africa, the typical loading conditions of the vehicles to make sure that they are robust enough to handle any terrain that the vehicles traverse in. Mobius Motors being a homegrown car maker,
that Kenyans have been waiting for.
trust me, you're in for a treat.